welcome or welcome back for another video. So today is Sunday, so I'm just going to be doing a little bit of maintenance to get myself ready for the work week. So first thing on my agenda is my lashes. I'm going to be doing some DIY lash clusters. You guys have seen me do this before. I used to be a religious every 2 weeks girl with the lash extensions, but I don't think I've gotten my lashes professionally done in at least a year and a half, maybe 2 years. Just because it's so easy to do the clusters at home and it's a fraction of the cost. Like, I'm not going to spend $100 every 2 weeks, $100 plus, because I'm sure it's more expensive now. Everything's more expensive. When I can buy a DIY kit off of Amazon for $15 and do my lashes like 3 or 4 times from the kit. So I have a couple of kits here. I always get them from this B&Q company on Amazon. So I have this one here and this one, so y'all can see I actually do use them. I'm typically a short length type of girl, like a 8, 10, 12, but I don't know if I have any shorties left in this one. So I only have 14 and 16 left in this one, so I don't know if I'll be using that. Alright, so I got a few 10s left in this kit, so this will probably be my last round with this before I have to buy a new one. So the kits come with tweezers, it comes with the bond and seal, and then it also comes with the remover, which I think is just like an oil. But I never use the remover because I just be plucking them things off, which is another reason why I stopped getting the lash clusters. So when the glue got like crusty at the root, I'd be picking at it. My eyelashes were bald. They're really just starting to grow back for real. I didn't know it took lashes that long to grow. I probably wouldn't have did it. So you just brush the bond on like a mascara. You can like choose to do your whole eye at one time, but I've learned that it's better to just do it in sections, especially if you're like messy with it. And then I also take the lash and then I rub the band across the bond as well for like some extra security. And then I'm gonna go right under my lash line with it. And when you do it, you need to make sure that you're not like getting it on that pink part. It just needs to be on your lash line or it'll itch and irritate and you'll end up ripping them off anyway. And I'm using 12s, by the way, so I'll do like a couple of 12s, a couple of 10s, and then an 8 in the very inner corner is my usual lash map. And these won't last like the whole week. I usually get a good 3-4 days out of it, but I mean by that point I stopped caring about the work week anyway. Wow, so I only have 1 8 left, which I didn't realize, so I guess I'm just gonna use 12s and 10s and hope for the best. That's also the good thing about doing your own like beauty maintenance, is I never leave the salon or any place like 100% satisfied. Whether it's I don't like the way you swoop my edges, or I don't like the direction my hair was curled in. Like, there's literally always something. When you do it yourself, you don't have to worry about that. And if it's not how you like it, then oh well, you didn't waste anything but like 30 minutes and $10. Hopefully y'all could kind of see what I'm doing. I had y'all on manual focus, but then that was hard to do and do the lashes. And then when I'm on autofocus, the lighting kind of changes. And I have a mirror here that's reflecting light on my face so I can see what I'm doing. Um, yeah. So hopefully it's not like too distracting. So just going through and kind of pressing the lashes into my natural lashes so they look a little more uniform. And I try to do that gently because they are pretty tacky from the glue because I haven't gone in with the seal yet. But that is what I'm doing next. So I'm just gonna run that or tap it at the base of my lashes, kind of like how I tap the glue on. Alright, if I was thinking, I could have cut that 1/8 I had in half and used one on both inner corners, but honestly, I think it looks okay without it. I took the hair clips off, but I actually still need them because I'm going to touch up my eyebrows as well. So I'm going to use one of the Chic Hydro Silk touch up little razors here. And then I also have my NYX eyebrow gel, or the brow glue, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just use this to brush my brows in place. I really like this product, but I'm just gonna get my brows going how I normally like to wear them, and then just clean up around it. And these little razors definitely get sharp. I've cut myself with them before. And my brows kind of naturally grow in the shape that I like to wear them. So I really don't have to do too much. I told y'all, look, I cut myself. You probably can't see it. I wish I could be like one of the wax girlies because it'll last longer, but I don't think I'm just able to put myself through pain. Like, I know it doesn't hurt that bad, but I'm not the one that's doing it. Like, I don't think I'd be able to. And I think that's pretty good. I don't want to get like too carried away. I just want them to look a little more clean, and I think they do. So I am done with that for now. It's just something about the fresh brow lash combo that just elevates the look every time. Makes it look like you care about yourself, you know? So I washed and straightened my hair earlier, but it's currently raining, and it's supposed to rain, I think, a few times this week. I stepped outside to close my garage, and my hair is already starting to poof up in a little section. So I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my hair, just because I feel like when I curl it, it lasts longer and it's easier to maintain opposed to the like bone straight look. Also, I feel like my hair is kind of like in an awkward length where it doesn't necessarily, I mean, it doesn't look bad straight, but it just doesn't look all that good either. Like it needs like a bump in the end or something. So I'm gonna just go ahead and add in some flat iron curls. And then just to maintain it, I will pin curl my hair at night. If you guys are interested in seeing a pin curl tutorial for me, then of course just let me know in the comments and I will do that for you guys.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like stocking. Just charging. We spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Told fool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the field and I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine and Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the west coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, she look like she go. She hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard my deep stroke. She said, babe, does it hurt when I deep go? Certified freak hoe, hang around dust and she learning my lingo. Back then wasn't worried about me though. In the gym tryna work on my free throw. Goddamn, spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes ma'am, she a little freak on cams. She don't put this on the ground. Little boys try to diss on the ground. Hey, I can't switch on the fam. Shit's high, hit the switch on the fan. That's where my head is. I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings. We used to share connection. Now it just feels like it's wearing a stretching. I'm getting real sick of taking advice from people that never could stare at reflections. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Y'all ain't evolving is very depressing. I'm at the club with the basketball team. Me and the Cardinals are sharing this section. Gotta cherish the present. I'm drinking water and wearing protection. Got a career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scary obsession.
I think the curls look better since my hair is layered as well. So yeah, this is the finished look. I'm just gonna leave them tight like this because I'm not going anywhere or doing anything today, and it'll just make it easier for me to pin curl it later. So lashes are done, brows are done, hair is done. I think I'm ready to start a new week. I think everything might be okay. So if you enjoyed the video, of course, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.